Divoom is a Chinese technology company that creates high-quality audio products and smart home devices. One of our products is Pixel 64, a Wi-Fi Pixel screen connected to the Pixel community. Users can play Pixel works created by other users. We hope to use Facebook's API interface to realize tutorials displaying information about Facebook. In the Facebook user's watch face, the username of the account is displayed at the bottom. Display different data under different headings. Display the number of fans of the account under the heading fans. The rest of the data only show data such as time and date. In the Facebook Works watch face, the title of this work is displayed at the bottom. Display the total number of likes of the work under the title of like. Displays the total number of comments on the work under the heading comment. Display the total number of reposts of the work under the heading forward. Divoom has used the YouTube subscriptions API to display the number of account subscriptions and likes. Users can log in and switch between different data displays, and many more possibilities to display network data. Divoom's products are designed with security and ease of use in mind. Provides a seamless user experience for technologists and novices alike. Our team strives to meet the diverse needs of users by providing a range of data display options. Overall, Divoom uses advanced technology combined with a focus on user experience and security, making their products a compelling choice for anyone looking for high-quality audio and smart home devices. Thanks for watching.